Welcome to the Fitness with Flex channel, and today I wanted to speak to you guys about reaching your fitness goal in the year 2023. Many of us have New Year's resolutions, and one of them is to get fit. Unfortunately, we start off January very strong and motivated, but by the time February and March comes along, we kind of dwindle off, and by the time July comes along, we kind of never reached our fitness goal. But this upcoming year, I want it to be completely different, and I want you guys to finally be able to reach your fitness goal. One tip I could give you is, instead of waiting for January 1st, you should actually start now. If you start in January, you might be motivated and you might get through the first week or two, but then you might realize that maybe you're not as disciplined as you thought, or you're not as consistent as you thought you might be. But if you start off now, 2 to 3 weeks before January 1st, it gives you enough runway to make those mistakes, to become more disciplined, and you might even see some progress that might motivate you to continue your goal for next year. So if you start off early, you could get all those mistakes out of the way, and you're going to give yourself a better chance at succeeding next year. Now, another tip I could give you is, don't compete with anybody. Only compete with yourself. Fitness is a personal journey, so it doesn't matter what your friend is doing at the gym, it doesn't matter what the fitness influencers are doing online. What matters is what you're able to do. Everyone starts off at a different fitness level, so just keep in mind where you're starting, and if in 2 or 3 weeks you're able to do more, then that's perfect. Don't complain about having slow progress, because when it comes to fitness, progress is going to be slow. When it comes to fitness, you're completely changing your lifestyle, and that's almost impossible to do without mistakes and without setbacks. As long as you're getting some type of progress, that's all that matters. Now guys, comment down below, let me know certain things that you've done in the past that maybe have made you get some success in your fitness goal, or maybe have detoured you from your fitness goal. And if you guys are interested in a personalized plan, it doesn't matter what state or country you're in, we're able to help clients worldwide. We're able to provide you with a customized meal plan and workout routine, and help you monitor your results so that you could get ongoing results. So comment, like, and share, and stay tuned for the next episode.